So back in 2007, I became the regulator here in the state of Ohio for 200 plus credit unions, plus American Share Insurance. During that time frame when credit unions were really challenged because of the economy, we were having meetings constantly with the governor's office, with the Department of Commerce. ASI was always there at the table, really talking through any troubled credit unions that we had to work with. What was the remediation? What were we going to do? And I have to tell you that the leadership team there at ASI understands their credit unions. They understand the risk tolerances of the credit unions. They were really able to work through mitigating a lot of issues.
The fact that ASI is examined by the Ohio Department of Insurance as well as the Department of Commerce is a very important fact to me. In addition to that, there are various states that have credit unions who are members of ASI, and those particular organizations also examine ASI as well. And all reports in the past 45 years have all been very, very positive and favorable, and it certainly speaks to how well ASI is run, as well as compliance and viability.
I think the best example of how our ASI auditors worked with the state was during the recession. And when ASI auditors would come in, they were actually our advocate with the state. And that's really the thing that helped us the most. But with ASI coming in and being our partner rather than being our regulator, we were able to have conversations with them that would help us to navigate the difficult waters we were in. They acted as a partner with us and helped us to talk to our regulator and explain to them the things that were most important and how we were going to work through some of the problems we had. It was good to have somebody on our side, somebody that was interested in us getting through the recession rather than just covering their tracks and making sure that they didn't look bad. And I think that was very valuable for us.
The greater account coverage, I think, makes a big difference from my perspective because it's per account and so it's not limited like the NCUA is. Theirs is an aggregated total, and so it's just insured for $250,000, whereas really the sky's the limit as far as ASI is concerned.
There's a lot of flexibility in working with ASI. They act more like a partner. They're not a regulator, they're our insurer. And so that affords them the ability to really advocate on our behalf with our state regulator. ASI didn't hesitate to come out, and they worked with our board and really explained to our board, where they should be concerned, where they shouldn't be concerned, and again, working with our state regulator to get into a better place than had they not been involved. And for that, our board is very, very grateful. Our members have confidence in us, and it's extremely important that we have confidence in our insurer, and that's why we chose ASI.
We knew that there would be a day when we would need not only investment, but guidance and trust. That's why we chose ASI.
A successful partnership isn't only built on trust, it takes integrity. That's why we chose ASI.
We have the privilege to choose the best option for our members. That's why we chose ASI.
ASI is owned by us, its credit unions, and it gives us a seat at the table. That's why we chose ASI.